Hello everybody, my name is Casting Arts and welcome to another explainer video in which we're actually going to be covering a different project this time around. I mean, in every explainer video I'm actually doing, I'm always covering different projects because I am a content creator. And remember this, my name is Casting Arts, the crypto guy. So today we're actually going to be doing a different type of content entirely, because I'm not just going to be like talking just the way I'm talking right now like this. I'm actually going to be talking in a different way. I'm actually going to be tutoring you guys. Now, today we're going to be talking about WormHole. I don't know if you've actually heard about the name. The name also signifies the project. I mean, it signifies like, I don't know if anyone actually knows the meaning of what the wormhole is, how it actually works, what it signifies in the real life world. But to me, wormhole is actually a protocol. So it's called WormHole protocol. Now, the WormHole protocol is actually revolutionizing the blockchain ecosystem by enabling seamless communication and asset transfer across multiple blockchains, of which in the other part of this video, which will be coming up right now on this screen, you'll be seeing how I'm actually tutoring you guys about WormHole. I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay blessed. Okay, hello everybody, my name is Casting Arts and welcome to my explainer video in which I'm actually going to be explaining the WormHole protocol. Now, WormHole protocol is a protocol that actually aids blockchain transactions and actually helps you make them more faster. Now, faster in the sense that WormHole actually serves like as a messenger, or let me like say, it actually passes messages. Now, the type of messages it actually passes, we have messages like tokens, we have messages like NFTs, we have messages like the governance data, we have messages like Oracle data. Now, these are messages that are being passed on in the source chain. Now, these are being passed over to the validators. Now, what do the validators do? They actually verify the message you're actually sending, probably the token you're sending, the NFTs you're sending. They verify and they nullify them, whether they're actually like ready to be sent to the relayers. Now, before we actually go to the relayers, all this is being done on the Guardian network. Now, what do the relayers do? I think I actually talked about relayers and recently in a last post from what they're actually talking about. So relayers here also do the same thing. Now, relayers actually act as a body, like a separate body that actually also verifies whatever you are doing. Like, let me say, the second side of a validator. But what they just do is actually they like put a stamp that this has been checked, and they actually like send it over for like probably checking usage and other things like that. Now, from the relayers, you actually send it over to the xDapps, xData. You have things like xDapps, xData, xNFTs, xAssets, and things like that. Now, how does xData, xAssets come about? Now, let's use this example for instance, like as if you're actually having BNB and Polygon. Now, for instance, when we are saying xAssets, you can say you want to have XUSDT, then you're also having xDAI. So probably you have this on the Polygon network, then you're also having this on probably the Binance Smart Chain. Now, you can easily bridge this with each other using the wormhole, of which all of this are being carried out on a smart contract. Now, you can easily bridge this from probably the Polygon network to the Binance Smart Chain network. All this are all being done on smart contracts. Now, they are being verified by the validators, verified by the relayers before they actually able to be used here, which is the xDapps, xAssets, and the xData. Now, I hope you're able to learn one or two things about WormHole. You can also use WormHole on Wombat ecosystem. You can use it on different ecosystems that actually integrated them. And let's not forget about the airdrop they actually talked about. Now, these things I'm actually talking about, which is the xDapps. Now, for people that are actually using WormHole, for people that actually integrated WormHole into their stuff, you can easily farm for these airdrops using WormHole. Now, how do I put it? Like, let me say you're actually using like a relayer and a validator from WormHole. So you're actually using their own route of passing out your tokens, but meanwhile they will be rewarding you with the W tokens, which is the airdrop that is actually like available for everyone right now. So that is also something. And they also, I think they airdropped some NFT holders, most Solana users, and things like that. So I hope you're able to learn one or two things about WormHole. I remain your faithful guy. I am casting ads. Check out my videos and check out the links I'm going to be dropping under this video about some bridges that you can actually easily use while working on WormHole. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching that video. I hope you're able to learn one or two things about WormHole. I'm actually not much of a tutorial because I just like decided to break it down for you guys to understand using a board and a marker. So I hope you're able to learn one or two things about WormHole itself and all that change which I listed. Thank you very much for watching my main casting ads. See you some other time and bye.